Hello, this is Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this 4-bedroom apartment in Avenida Malvarosa. So the location of this apartment, well, if you like going to the beach, it's absolutely perfect because, well, I don't know if you can see it from here, but you're walking distance. Yes, you can see it. You're walking distance from the beach. It's about 5 minutes away, and it's in a very chill zone of Valencia. It's very calm, and as you can see, the terrace is exterior but not on a street, so it's quiet here. And the rest of the bedrooms, also bedroom number 4 has got view on this side, and the rest of the bedrooms are interior. There are 3 bedrooms in the rent. I'm going to show you the 4th one is already rented. We're on the 2nd floor. This is the entrance to the apartment, and on the left we've got the kitchen with toilet. In front of the entrance we've got the living room and the rest of the bedrooms and a bathroom. So I'll start with the kitchen. As there is person living here, of course the kitchen is fully equipped. So we've got this very big fridge with the freezer. Let me show you how spacey it is from inside. Oh, so it's open from here. The electric stove with the oven, the washing machine, sink, the microwave is right here. Of course here we've got the place for our dishes, and here we've got food storage right here. Also a small table here so we can have our breakfasts, etc. Yes, all the kitchen equipment you can find so right here. Now you're moving to the laundry room. So it's a small room with a sink, and here we'll have also, as you can see, the window from the bedroom number 1. And here we've got a toilet, so toilet, sink, and a mirror within this interior space. Okay, so that was kitchen and toilet. Now I'm going to show you the living room. So in the living room you can find a couch in front of TV, a table with 4 chairs, a couple of armchairs as well in the living room, and the access to the balcony. It's right here. The balcony is really spacey, and this is the view of the balconies. Okay, let's take another look at the living room from here now, and let me show you the bathroom now. So here's the bathroom. As you can see, we've got a very spacey shower. Let's start from here. A toilet and sink with the mirror. Let me show you the bathroom from the other side. Okay, now bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is right here. As you can see, we can find here a single bed, shelves, got this desk with a chair and a mirror and lamp on it, and a wardrobe right here. Yes, with all this available space in 4 drawers as well. And here you have also all these shelves, and this space is empty inside with 1 simple drawer here. Shelf, sorry, not drawer. Yes, so this is bedroom number 1. Now let me show you bedroom number 2, which is right here in the end of the corridor. And again, we've got a table with a chair and a single bed. This one is interior with interior patio view. And we have also got all this space here in the wardrobe. Here to hang our clothes with a drawer. Here 4 drawers and additional space right here with a shelf, a couple of shelves here, and additional storage here. So there's plenty of space in this furniture. Let me show you bedroom number 2 from here. And now bedroom number 3 is not for rent, and bedroom number 4 it is. So here's bedroom number 4. And you've got this chest of drawers here, desk with a chair, bed, and this space inside here covered with this. So we've got built-in wardrobe, and this has got exterior window right there. There is also this door, as you've seen, from the living room, but it can be closed from inside, so it's not a problem. Alright, so I really hope you like this apartment. Thank you very much. That was Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and see you next time.